It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about and showing you how to install these drawer peg storage systems. As you're ordering these, you are going to cut them down to size. So whatever size your drawer is, you're going to order the next size up. So for instance, this is how this started before I cut it down to fit inside of this drawer. And this is how yours is gonna come too. And I'll show you how to measure and how to cut these down to fit inside. This base also has a little notch here. And as you're cutting it, just make sure you aren't cutting the notch side, because this is just simply a little pull that you're able to put your finger in and pull this out. This system doesn't get screwed or nailed into your drawer at all. It's just a friction fit. So if you ever do want to remove it, it's nice to have this little notch here where you can pull it out. As far as installs go, this is a really easy one, and we'll get right into the tools that you're gonna need for this. For tools and supplies, you're going to need the actual storage system itself, and that'll come in a box like so, and that'll include your plywood and your pegs. To cut it down, you're going to need your tape measure, a pencil. I have a framing square here, as well as some clamps just to hold it down. You can have another person as well. Those aren't necessary, but helpful. And then a circular saw, but you could also use a table saw, a miter saw, really, whatever you use to cut wood in an accurate way. And that's all that you're gonna need for your tools and supplies. So now let's get measuring and cut down this plywood to fit inside our drawer box. I took the drawer out of the cabinet itself, and then I'm gonna measure the inside dimensions. So the inside to inside measurement for this drawer was 19 3/8. So we are going to split that in the middle of this piece of plywood here. The reason you don't want to just measure from one side and then cut all of it off of one side is because of the pegs. You want them to be evenly spaced out. In order to accomplish that, you need to either measure from the center, or you can cut an even amount off of either side. Then I measured the depth of my drawer box, which was 19 3/4. And for this scenario, you can just measure from the front, your front being the one with a little notch for your finger pull. I'm just going to measure 19 3/4 back from that directly. And now I'm gonna use my framing square to connect those lines all the way through. You can use any other straight edge that you have, but I found this to be the easiest. So now right before I cut with my circular saw, I'm gonna use a clamp just to hold it down the table to hold it fast for me as I cut. You can have a helper, or you can set your depth of your saw, but I found this to be the easiest. Just use a clamp and cut off the edge. With my lines marked, I'm now gonna take my circular saw and cut it to size. You can also use a table saw. You could use really whatever saw you feel comfortable and accurate cutting with. So cutting both the sides and then the back, I can now place it inside my drawer box to see if it fits, which it does, and now it is ready to go back into the cabinet. Now that it fits, I'm gonna go ahead and place in these pegs. Each set will come with pegs, and I'm just gonna be placing them evenly inside of this drawer. I'm not sure what the customer will end up using these for, but you can see the adjustability. These pegs just have a little metal dowel on the bottom, and they can fit into any one of these holes, allowing you to have a lot of different combinations that you can put in order to fit your plates, your pots, your bowls, anything like that. So I'm just gonna place it evenly here, and I'll let the customer then decide what layout they want with that adjustability. With the pegs in, I'll stick it back in the cabinet, and as you can see, I have a different layout for the top and the bottom, really just showing off. You can genuinely put these wherever for your needs, and that's all there is to it. That's a pretty easy installation process. The biggest things you need to remember with the drawer peg storage systems is to make sure you purchase it oversized, and then just follow along with this video, cut it down to size, and then you'll be good to go. So if you have any questions on the drawer peg storage system, you can reach out to your cabinet coach, or you can call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.